Hello, Queen Lisa.
Bart, what are you doing in my room?
Lisa, certain differences, rivalries, if you will, have come up between us. At first I thought we could talk it over like civilized people. But instead, I just ripped the head off Mr. Honey Bunny.
Bart, that was your cherished childhood toy.
Ah, Mr. Honey Bunny!
Quiet down, Bart.
Bart, just get out of here.
Hey, it's a free country. You get out.
That doesn't make sense.
I know you are, but what am I?
Get out, get out!
Okay, but on my way, I'm gonna be doing this. If you get hit, it's your own fault.
Okay, then I'm gonna start kicking air like this. And if any part of you should feel that air, it's your own fault.
I better go check that out. Now, Homer, don't you eat this pie.
Okay. All right, Pie. I'm just gonna do this. And if you get eaten, it's your own fault. No! Oh! Oh! My... Oh, the hell with it.